In this lesson, we will take a look at how we can draw with layers to differentiate between different types of objects in AutoCAD. The concept of layers comes from the days of manual drafting. When working on a floor plan, for example, the walls might be drawn on one sheet while the furniture might be drawn on another semi-transparent sheet as well, and maybe the dimensions on another sheet, the plumbing on another sheet, etc. Then when it came time to run blueprints, all of those sheets were put together and run through the blueprint machine. This allowed you to remove one of the layers, for example, if I didn't want to see the plumbing. It also relates to the way that we would draw lines. Typically, object lines would be thicker, and center lines and hidden lines would be thinner. Fortunately, all of this can be controlled with layers in AutoCAD. The Layers panel is located here on the Home tab of the ribbon, and we have a drop-down list with different layer names. The layer that is currently showing in the drop-down list is known as the current layer. Any objects that will be drawn on the current layer. So if I begin the line command and draw some lines, you can see that they come in white just as the object line appears in the layer drop-down list. If I escape, then set a new current layer, perhaps hidden, notice that you set the current layer by clicking on the name of the layer. Do not click any of the little icons to the left. Now I can see that hidden is my current layer, and if I go to draw another line, it will come in using that particular style, in this case a cyan color and a dashed line type. We'll look at one more here. I'll set the center layer current, and I'll draw a circle this time. And once more, you can see that it comes in on the correct color and line type for the center lines. In addition to the different colors and line types, we can also control how they print. Again, the object lines may print thicker than the center lines and the hidden lines. This is controlled through the creation of the layers, which will be covered in a later lesson. So once more to recap, just simply set your current layer in the drop-down list, start your drawing command and draw, and you will be drawing in that current layer. That concludes this look at drawing with layers in AutoCAD.